Hi, in this video we will be going to learn about the effect of dopamine on the formation of habit. So if you are in the marketing, if you are in sales and you really wanted to make your product or your services to use by your customer again and again and again, and that's finally called as a habit formation. There is an important phenomena which is called the dopamine effect. Why this is important? Because whatever you are doing over a period of time, that particular thing becomes your habit and you are compelled to do that particular thing without having any conscious effort. So the important thing here in the marketing, in the sales, what the dopamine effect you are creating. If you see the overall marketing strategy for your brand, you go through these four important processes like specialization, segmentation, concentration, and what unique selling proposition, value proposition you are creating for your brand. So this effect, which is called the dopamine effect, adds further value and that flavor into your marketing strategy. Why this happens? That whenever you go through any social media like Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter, you get hooked because of some special and the unique features what they offers to you. Can we create the similar kind of effect? And that's because of the dopamine. So let me give you a brief about dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter which is secreted by your brain. So it is also called as a pleasure hormone, and it is also called as a happy hormone. So whenever you see there are 50 likes on your photograph or maybe your video or anything, there is a burst or the release of a dopamine in your brain. And that dopamine further pushes you to watch that social media, that kind of post again and again and again. And that's the basic of formation of the dopamine effect. Can you create this dopamine effect for your brand? So whenever you're preparing your brand strategy, your brand plan, make sure that your customer, those who is the end user of your brand, whenever he think about any need or anything, he further think again and again about your brand. So what is that? That's the formation of a habit loop. So more you think from this perspective along with your brand plan, along with your strategies for the marketing, and that's possibly will be very helpful to you to hit the bottom number as well as the top numbers. So achieving your objective in the organization, achieving your objective for the brand, and then creating such a strategy which will be very helpful for you to push your customer to create and to form the habit for that particular brand. And that's called the dopamine effect. So next time, say for an example, the activity which you are conducting, for example, the communication which you are making, and this communication is keep on ringing in the mind of a customer, and that further pushes your customer to use your brand again, to think your brand again. So the story what you make, the brand plan what you make, and the entire gamut of the engagement activities what you make, that plays a very important role in the formation of this dopamine effect. So make sure that whenever next time you are thinking about, recreation of your marketing strategy, and you behave like a leader, not as of the follower of the brands, those who are there in the market, as 1, 2, 3, those who are the leading brands, those who are there, those who are leading the market, who captures the 60 to 70% of the market share, and your share comes under the remaining of 30-20% of the market. So remember here, behave like a leader. So many people, those who follow the leader, because of their strategies, because of their market plan, over a period of time, that leader change their market plan, and then you follow you need to change your strategy accordingly. So why following the leader? Why not become a leader? So I'm sure that if you bring this dopamine effect into your marketing plan, if you bring this dopamine effect into your marketing communication, engagement activities, or whatever you do with the customer, you will be in the position to create a big impact and the larger impact in the mind of the customer, so that your customer will again and again and again get the burst and the push from the dopamine, and he is again using your brands. And that's the successful strategy for making your brand successful.